Alright, so I've already started using my concrete bit, and basically all you do, just open your drawers. After opening your drawers, make sure you don't hit your track. My track is right here, and go as far back as you can. Technically, my drawers stop right here. You know, and that's the end. Cabinet makers actually shaft you to give you all of this cabinet space, but they don't give you any drawers. They actually cheat you on your drawers. But anyway, so okay, so there we are. You see I'm not straight, but that's not a big deal. And I'm just boring through. Okay, here's the second cabinet, and you can see the hole's right above. And now I'm just gonna come through and bore a hole. Okay, and I ran the line right there. I just ran it completely through. I'm gonna get some brackets and adhere it so it don't float and bounce. And then it goes through there and comes out right here. Alright, now we're going to add our compression fitting. That's what I have on this end right here. Alright, so we're going to put the compression setup on. Put your nut on. Put your sleeve on. And then your pipe. That pipe, that machine, man, it's not a good machine job, but it does what I need it to do. It'll cap, it'll get a good seal on the hole. Spinning on the back end, but I think I'm good enough. Moment of truth. About to turn it on and see if we get some leaks. Just leave it.
Leaking. I think Teflon tape would fix it though.
Okay, we're not leaking on this end. Nope. Okay, so we're good on this end. This end's dry, so just that end. So I'm going to Teflon tape it and grab another wrench and double wrench it. Okay guys, so we got it thread taped and we got it sealed as far as down as it can go. Moment of truth time, guys. And we're good. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.